Good morning from Memphis. It's 3:35 in the morning, and I've been performing earlier tonight, and then I went to another bar restaurant to see about some gigs there. And then this evening I've been getting ready for rehearsal. Tomorrow we've got a gig on Saturday, the farmer's market. It's Saturday morning, so it's just a few days away. But I come outside to meditate, and I cannot help myself. I just have to talk about what I'm seeing here in the sky. It's very similar to what I've seen the last few nights I've been out here. Right now we've got 3 bright planets all in a row. Mars and Jupiter right there. And up here in a straight line, if you were to draw a straight line through Mars and Jupiter, you'd come to Saturn, very close to that, and I'll zoom in there. Saturn's a little bit dimmer, but we can still see it pretty well, so I should be right in the middle of the screen. That's the beautiful planet Saturn. And hopefully I'll be in bed before Venus comes up at about 4 a.m. So it'll be poking up above the eastern horizon over there, right in the middle of the screen. It'll be poking up almost right above the street there. It's pretty much a straight line with the others, so it'll be rising in about another 20 minutes or so. But hopefully I'll be in bed. But for now, I just love coming out here late night, early morning, contemplating, doing a little bit of meditating, looking at these beautiful planets. There's some stars out as well, obviously, but with the city lights, it's difficult to video those. But looking toward the south there, we can't really see it, but the stars of Sagittarius, the Archer, they call it the Sagittarius the Archer is the name of the constellation, but it's a teapot asterism. I guess an asterism is a grouping of stars that form a particular pattern. So I call it a teapot asterism, but in any case, that's the direction of the center of the Milky Way galaxy, 26,000 light years away. Of course, back in our neck of the woods, the solar system, the distances are much, much closer. Mars averages at its closest approach 2 light minutes away, Jupiter 45 light minutes, and Saturn about an hour and 30 minutes. Of course, the moon, 1.4 light seconds. So that gives us somewhat of an idea about how large the galaxy actually is. Now we are about halfway out from the center of the galaxy, so the outer edge of the galaxy would be another 26,000 light years away in the opposite direction from Sagittarius, toward the north. So all told, the galaxy is about 100,000 light years across. And that's just one galaxy among billions, maybe trillions. But closer to home, we've got a lot going on in our own solar system. It's just a fabulously beautiful morning out here, or late night, as the case may be. There's another airplane gonna pass right close to Saturn. Let me zoom in and see if we can see Saturn. There it is. Of course, Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, 80 known moons, 95 times the mass of Earth. Average temperature minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Just unimaginably cold. Takes 29 1/2 Earth years to orbit the Sun once. Jupiter takes 12 Earth years to orbit the Sun once. Mars, 687 days, not quite 2 years. But in late 2020, Saturn and Jupiter were very close to one another. They had the great conjunction that particular fall. It was actually the winter solstice, December 21st, 2020. Now, they're gradually moving apart as Jupiter's moving slightly faster in its orbit than Saturn is. It's gonna work its way around the Sun, and they won't be in another conjunction like that for I don't know exactly how long, but it's gonna be many years. In any case, it is a beautiful morning out here. And Saturday morning, I will be at the Bartlett Farmers Market.